Science with me, science with me. Come, let's do some science with me.
The handsome lord of glucose, whose given name was Glenn, found happiness in meeting Ms. Ozzy Oxygen. He bowed and asked her for her hand upon his bended knee, and soon came little water, carbon dioxide, and energy. The lord and his fine lady, some years after they wed, were asked to tell their story, and this is what they said. Our meeting and our offspring sum up how you folks breathe. We call it respiration, a thing all creatures need. Lord Glucose told his own tale of how he came to be. It all starts when you eat stuff like bread or meat or brie. As you digest these yummies, they break down into crud that's small enough to be absorbed into your stream of blood. It's taken through your body and soon into your cells as a simple sugar glucose. That's me, as you can tell. Glucose, travel far and wide to your muscles and your brain and fuel you after every meal, so energy you gain. Then Ozzy piped up promptly to add her part as well. About her contribution to respiration, she would tell. She said,
"When you inspire, it's oxygen you breathe, and that is how I enter your body now. Take heed. I met up with Lord Glucose by passage down long paths, from your nose down through your trachea, to bronchi I did pass. And then the little bronchioles I needed to squeeze by, down to the tiny air sacs known as alveoli, and all the smaller vessels, capillaries with blood red, are wrapped around the air sacs."
Ms. Ozzy blithely said,
"They take in oxygen, that's me, and ship me to and fro, and so into your many cells like glucose I will go."
And now here comes the good part, the things our heroes do. Inside a cell together to maintain me and you. Ms. Ozzy Oxygen will help Lord Glucose break down. And from this process, energy plus 2 more kids come around. One child is just water. The other, which heads outside, is something we expire called carbon dioxide. It travels through your bloodstream and into those little sacs. From there he leaves when you exhale through the respiratory tract. And so we end our story with one brief summary. Glucose is the product of digested food we eat. When it teams up with oxygen that we breathe in from air, it breaks down to give energy that takes us everywhere. But also, in the process, some water is produced, as well as carbon dioxide that we breathe out and set loose. And so, dear friends, it's destined throughout the march of time that Lord Glucose and Ms. Oxygen are forever much entwined. And we are all indebted to you both. Oh, my loyal subjects.
Hold it! You're a lord, not a king.
Yes, dear.